everyone. Welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. How are you doing? How was your weekend? I hope everyone's doing fine. I just have a few things to show you today. There's actually a finished object and something I got from Wal-Mart and something I got from Dollar Tree. So, oh, this cup? Yeah, I got this cup from Wal-Mart. Actually, I'll show you the other one because I got two and I'm drinking right now. It's just water. Isn't that cute? Oh my, an owl. When I saw that, I was like, oh, I have to have that. And look, look, I'll turn around the back. It looks like crochet, or maybe knit, I don't know. But it looks like yarn. Oh my gosh, so cute, right? And these were for something Canadian at Walmart. So I grabbed two of them. Does it say anything important on the bottom? It says mug. Oh, by Mainstays. Mainstays. They make yarn too. That's why it looks like yarn. Duh. So yeah, I love it. Even the handle. I don't know. Can you see that? It looks like yarn. So I love my mugs. All right. So then, of course, I saw those, so I grabbed those. I turned around and there was another owl behind me on the shelf. Look at this. Also by Mainstays. It's a spoon rest. I had it on my stove and I don't want to use it. I don't want to dirty it. Isn't that cute? Oh, there's owls everywhere. This was only for something too, Canadian. Okay, so that's from Walmart. And then let me show you my finished object. It's not crochet, but it is yarn related. And it was a little kit, pom-pom kit, sheep by Trimmets. And this is it. You make this little sheep. The lovely Sabrina Mellowjuice sent this to me. Thank you, Sabrina. So I made it. Yes, I did. And I think it's adorbs. Here it is. So it's two pieces of cardboard. You put them back to back, and there's a hole in the center, and you put your yarn through and wind it all the way around. And they supply the yarn. Actually, it was quite a bit of yarn, so this guy turned out nice and fluffy. Or this girl, I should say. It's a girl. But I think she's so adorbs. What do you think? It took quite a while to wind that yarn around through that hole. They give you a little yarn needle, but I found it was easier without it. Although it did take a couple of hours. Yeah. And then you cut it around the edge so it fluffs out. So I think this little girl should maybe hang from here or something. Can you even see that? I don't know. I think she should hang somewhere. Yeah. So thank you, Sabrina. Okie dokie. So what else did I do? Oh, I went to Dollar Tree and got some stickers. I know there's just... This is the only thing I have yarn related, but at least it's something. I have some yarn on... Do I have yarn on order? Oh, I do. But it's a gift, so I won't be able to show you. Because that person might watch my channel. So yeah, Dollar Tree. So I saw these stickers. I love to use these on cards and things, and I haven't had time to make cards. Oh my goodness. But anyway, So I got 2 packs of these. I just think they're pretty. They're by Crafter's Square, 14-piece pop-up. So they're like the 3D, I don't know if you can see that glare. But anyway, I got 2 packages. And I found something I have not seen there. And actually, someone told me they're hard to find. And it's true because I've looked online. Rub-on transfers. Rub-on transfers. So, Dollar Tree has them. And this was one that I got. It's gold butterflies. Ooh, glare. Sorry. Gold butterflies. And I think they're so pretty. And then they had some other ones. Like I think these are really cool. And I'm actually going to turn the camera around and try one of these little transfers to see how well they rub on. But this is another one. There's unicorns, there's a rabbit, there's a swan, there's flowers, and there's a couple of wolves. Raccoons! Are there any owls on here? I don't see any owls. But look how cute! Yeah, and I grabbed it for the flowers and things, so I thought they're really cool. But you know, there's unicorns. There's a rabbit up here. So cute. Some birds flying around. Those raccoons are adorable, aren't they? Yeah. So yeah, and there's fish on here at the bottom there. There's some fish. So it's like an assortment. So I've got 2. So I'm gonna turn my camera around and see how well they work. I took it out of the package. It says this product is transfer type sticker suitable for all smooth surfaces like tile, furniture, paper, scrapbooking, gift box. Look at that. That's a wooden box. Huh. Interesting. All right, so clean your surface, all that kind of stuff, and then cut it out. Cut the one out you want to use. So I probably won't use any fishies on anything. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. But anyway, we're just gonna do this. So we're gonna cut one of these things out. Use the little fishy one. I got a paper here. Peel off the white backing paper. Okay, peeled it off. And that's got adhesive. Put it down on the paper, adhesive side down. Oops, can you see that? And rub firmly several times with your fingernail or use a blunt hard object. Okay, so I have this thing I'm going to use. I used to get the Annie's card making kit of the month thing, and it just got too expensive with shipping from the States to Canada. So, but this was one thing that was in it. So it's kind of cool, I guess. Okay, so what? Rub? Rub firmly. Oh, firmly, yes. Okay, so let's see. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Oh, gee, I don't think it's even lifting. I mean, sticking. Is it? Oh, it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Where's that plastic I just pulled off, or that paper? Anyway, sorry. Sorry. I don't know what that is. But look. That's really good. That is really good. So there you go, Dollar Tree. Crafter Square. Pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have, oh, I got my ball winder, my new ball winder. So I'm going to do a demonstration of that maybe in tomorrow's video. And the second part to the scrap yarn mystery crochet along will be up on Friday. I hope you guys are really enjoying it. I think you are. You've commented really nice comments, and I got some nice pictures of your progress. Yay! And you guys are doing a wonderful job. Yay! So yeah, take care until I see you again. Bye.